Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Islan and today we are on day 3 of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python through Boolean data type. Now we are on day 3 of building the problem solving skills, and if you are very new to this channel, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python. Now we started from a very basic question on day 1 where we have solved a very basic question, and we started first of all with a string, and then we have been moving on to different data types. We have already covered strings and integers. Now we are on Boolean data type, and we will be doing questions based on Boolean data types. Now let's start this question, and just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. So the question says write a Python function that takes two integers as input and return true if they are equal and false otherwise. Now this question is very easy question if you have already followed my playlist, and if you have some knowledge of programming, you will be finding that this question is very easy among the question which we have already solved. And why I have included this question, you might be wondering. I have included this question because I want to focus right now on getting comfortable with Boolean data types. I do not want to worry about getting confused and getting worry about the other data types. I just want to worry about uh, making you comfortable in booleans. So if you are when you will be getting comfortable with booleans, we will be also including some difficult logic, and we will be also doing some difficult question based on boolean data type. First of all, I want to make you comfortable on this data type. Then I will be just including a concept. I will be including question which will be really interesting questions. Now this question, I suppose that you have already figured it out, that and I believe that you have already solved this question, guys. Now if you are unable to solve this question and you were not able to solve this question, that is not a problem. That is also not a problem because we are all beginners. Now let's start this question, and we'll saying that def what is the what function name we should give. So we'll be checking write a Python function that takes two integers as input and returns true if they are equal or not. So I can write num equal num as my function. Now it will be taking two numbers, then it will be checking whether they are equal or not, and it will be checking something whether they are equal or not. So I will be writing some logic. Before I write some logic, let's just print this function with some parameters here, equal num, and then I can write two numbers. Let's say if I write 5 and 10, and if a second of all I will writing 10 and 10. So first of all it will be giving me false, and for second it will be returning me true. So we did it manually, and we will be doing it with program as well. Now let's write a logic. So first of all it will be checking if num1 is equals to num2, return true, else return false. Now this is very simple question. This is what all we have to do in the question. Now let's run this code and get an answer for this. This is what we have to do, false and true. You can make it more readable here. You can just write f string here saying that this is equals num1 is equals to num2, which is true. You can make it more readable, which is whatever way you want to, but to make it means one thing which we have discussed in our last class was a single line code. You can also write a single line code if you wish to, and I suppose that most of you have already figured it out that what is single line code. It is a very easy that you can just have to return something, making it like num1 is equals to num2. Now what I'm returning here, I'm saying that num1 is equals to num2. I'm saying it that num1 is equals to num2. If it is equal, then it will be returning me true. If it is not equal, it will be returning false. So it is a single line code saying that num1 is equals to num2, which means that if it is true, it will be returning me true. If it is false, it will be returning me false. So let's run this. You can see that it is running the same way as it was running previously. Now this is what we have to do in this question, guys. Hope you have understood this question, and Hope you have liked this tutorial as well, and hope you have been liking this playlist a lot. And if you do so, please share it with your friends as well, and please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button, and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and playlist, and see you next time.